In this video, I'll be updating you guys on the current status and level of construction attained so far on the Agege Train Station for the Lagos Redline Rail project. The Agege station of the Redline Rail share the same yard with the Babatunde Fashola Station of the Lagos Ibadan Train Service built by the federal government. Both stations are about 300 meters apart. This will make connecting from the Lagos Ibadan Train Service and the Lagos Red Line easier for passengers. There is also a staff quarters built by the Lagos State Government for the Nigerian Railway Corporation workers within the premises. The Lagos State Government had to demolish the old staff quarters, which is part of where the Agege Train Station is now located, thereby building a new and better staff quarters for the workers. From the video, the fencing of the station is ongoing, likewise construction of the train platform of the station. The civil works for the train station building is already completed and finishing touches are ongoing on the station. From the look of construction happening on all the train stations on the Red Line, it seems there is a timeline for different stages of construction, as all the construction of the station are presently on the same level. Even the stations where construction were initially fasting seems to have slowed down to be on the same level with other stations.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I